In this video, I want to show you how to download and install ECOX GREEN app on your mobile phone. To do that, just open your browser and search for ECOX and hit the enter key to search. When it's open, here is it, Network. Click to launch it. So here is the interface of the site. So just click on download app and it will bring this interface. You can download for iOS and you can also download for Android. I want to download for Android. I'll click on it. So it will bring this notification. I'll click download anyway. The download has started. So I can monitor the download status. Yes, the download is done. So just click to stage the app, then click on install. The installation is ongoing. Yes, after the installation is done, you can open it from here or you open from your home page. So let's open from here by clicking on open. So it will bring this page. Click on allow. Then click continue. Click continue again. Then click on get started. So here, if you don't have an account, you can sign up with your email, but I already have an account. I'll click on sign in. Here I will have to enter my email and password to be able to sign in. So let me enter my email, then I'll enter my password and click on sign in. So it's trying to sign in. Yes. Yes, I've been signed in and you can see the interface here. So I can click on claim green to start a mining session. So let me do that. Yes, you can see that a new mining session has started. So if I want to open it or launch it from the home page, I can go to my phone screen and log in. Here is the icon of ECOX. I can just click on it. It will log me into my account. So this is how to download and install ECOX GREEN on your mobile phone. Thank you for watching.